So you must listen to this one, especially for the young people, even the middle-aged people, okay? And this one is, what do you do after an unplanned sexual activity, or, God forbid, though even if it happens, rape? What do you do after a rape? What do you do after unplanned sex? I even know, and I know a lot of stories of people that even lost their virginity without them being ready for it or planning for it. Okay, some of them, the reason is, maybe they were in places or locations where they were not supposed to be. Maybe they were taking drugs that reduced their inhibition. Maybe they were taking alcohol. And some of them, they may not be able to tell you how these things happen. So when you have an unplanned sex, for whatever reason, and you are thinking that, may I be in trouble? What are the kind of troubles that you may be in? The first trouble could be psychological. You didn't want it, and it happened. So there can be a lot of psychological issues. That's why most of the time, if it has happened to you, what we usually tell you to do is that you should see somebody for help. See a counselor, report cases. There are a lot of places of governmental bodies or non-governmental bodies in Lagos and everywhere around the country where they can listen to you and help you out. But beyond this, there's psychological trauma that could happen that can follow it, which also needs a lot of counseling. Also, there's physical problems, like medical problems that can happen. Do you know, after this, that one episode or whichever way it happened can lead to infections like HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, human papilloma virus can also happen. Pregnancy can happen. All these things can happen to you with that episode, even pelvic inflammatory disease that can lead to fertility problems in the future. So the point for me today, and why I'm here, is to tell you that if you have had an unplanned sexual activity, please, it's important that you see your doctor. He checks you for all these things. He helps you out with all these things. For all these aforementioned matters, there's solution for it. You can get post-exposure prophylaxis, you can get vaccines, you can get antibiotics and all of that. And this can help you. So don't just keep quiet after you have an unplanned sex or you have a rape. See your doctor. See anybody that can help you, okay? This is very important because there could be a problem written in the future. Thank you for your time.